Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change the time on your clock. You have to turn on the light right there. Now this position right there says 9. Oh. 9. What you need to do is just keep it there. You need to carry it and keep it. So you can see I took it off by that hook right there. You can see. I'm gonna have to keep my phone down for a minute. It's 9:04. So I'm gonna take the wax off here. Paint it right there. That's 8:04. As you can see. So yeah, I will take the black knob clockwise. Now let's put it up so you can see the bottom. I know it's not clear because I have heavy stuff. I can show it to you later. Oh man. It works now. Now it's time to change our clock. Right there. Anyway, happy daylight savings time in. See right there. Now you have to click more. Click my creations. I know it's not clear because I have too much heavy things. Then you click setup menu. Click clock. The time is 9:03 p.m. You want to change it to 8. No. 8:06. Then you see it there, and then click save. Analog. And click save. Save. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll do other clocks later. Bye.